welcome back to my channel and welcome to my monthly installment of my BOXYCHARM unboxing / try on video. This month we have a BOXYLUXE, and a BOXYLUXE is a little bit different than a regular BOXYCHARM. If you aren't aware of what BOXYCHARM is, it basically is a monthly subscription of makeup products. That's the best way I could say it. So you get a box, retails for $21, and you get, I think there's like up to $100 worth of products that you get in that box. BOXYLUXE is basically an upgrade of that box. So it retails for I think 50 something dollars. And you get so in the regular BOXYCHARM, you get like 5 products, I think 4 to 5 full-size products. And in the BOXYLUXE, you get from 9 to 10 products. And the BOXYLUXE is only available every 3 months, and it's kind of like an upgrade. You can opt in or opt out if you want to receive it that month. I like to get the BOXYLUXEs. I feel like they're worth it for the most part. Up to now, I would say they're pretty much worth it. So this is the box we got in the mail. It's a honker, and I did open it just to make sure that everything came, you know, perfectly fine. And I also couldn't seem to close it back up. I feel like it's like Tetris in this box, the way they package it. So once you open it, you really can't get it back to how it was. So here's a little pamphlet. The theme is like Getaway BOXYCHARM. Super cute. I like this. I want like a backdrop with these leaves on it. Anyways, let's dive right in. The first thing is probably the biggest thing in this box is this PYT hair dryer, blow dryer. But let me trying to get it out. All nice, right? So this is a little blow dryer. It comes with 2 attachments, and it's like a mini on the go blow dryer. The color is like this beautiful matte lilac shade. I'm not gonna lie, they had I think 3 other shades, like a white one, a coral one, which I really wanted that one, and a mint one. But I mean, I'm happy I got this one over the white one. And this retails for $85. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I had never even heard of this brand, but I guess it's super popular and it's also expensive. This retails for $85. It's mini. Look at my hand. It's not that big. It's super cute though. And I mean, I personally don't like to receive hair products, but I mean, if I ever want to go on a trip and I need to take a blow dryer, I mean, I have it. I really don't blow dry my hair. I have very like thin, fine hair, and it literally just air dries within 10 minutes of me getting out of the shower, especially in this hot ass weather that we are having now in California. And you guys will hear me complain about the heat a lot. I'm sorry, I just hate the heat. If there is something I hate, it is definitely the heat. I am not a fan of it. I don't enjoy being out in the sun. Yeah. And again, it comes with these 2 little attachments. Pretty cool. I do like that it comes in this little like silk bag. So, I mean, it's pretty small, out of the way. I can store it anywhere. I'm okay with having it. I don't mind it. Especially, I feel like it's a more expensive product that I would never purchase. But now that I have it, I'm like, cool. You know, I own a hairdryer. Hairdryer, blow dryer. Tomato, tomato. Potato, potato. Moving on to products that I can't put on my skin at the moment. So we're going to start off with these 2 products. First is the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic. I think this is a pH balanced yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll. Now, Dr. Brandt is a really good skincare brand, and I wouldn't say it's the cheapest. This retails for $35, and I'm actually super excited to use it. I have been loving that they include skincare. Like, I'm not one to enjoy hair products in like our boxes, but skincare, I'm all about it. I'm so sad I missed out on the skincare box because it had some really good things, but I totally forgot to upgrade or, you know, to get it. My dumbass. Anyways, I am super excited to try this. yeah, that's all I can say. I will definitely update you guys on how I like it in my monthly favorites like I usually do. Moving on to this Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. I can honestly tell you guys, I never really use serums, never really thought like, oh, they're for me. I always thought it was for someone who was more mature and they use serums for their skin, but you're never too old to start taking care of your skin. And I learned that now that I have actually been discovering that a lot of skincare products, including serums, actually work on my skin, and they have been making such a huge difference. I'm super, super excited to use this. This is a night serum, and I received a pharmacy product in another of my boxes. It was like a cleanser, a honey cleanser. Oh my gosh, I love that stuff. I think I'm almost out of it, and I like to keep that in my shower so I can wash my skin when I take a shower, and I love it so much. I want to buy the full size because it works so good for my skin. I feel like that's one of the things that started helping my skin get better. So yeah, I'm so excited for this, and this retails for $58. So I can honestly tell you guys I wouldn't go out of my way to spend $58 on something from a brand that I really don't know. Like, okay, I got the cleanser, I liked it, but I wouldn't go buy their serum, you know. Now I get to try it, and I'm so happy. This is what the bottle looks like. Super cute. It's a glass, like a matte glass bottle with the gold cap, and this has a pump as opposed to a dropper, which I'm totally fine with. I don't know. Okay, moving on to this product, which honestly is another hair product, but here comes a big but. This stuff, I tried it today. It's the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. Oh my gosh. So I have very fine, thin hair. I might have long hair and it might grow fast, but it's fine and it's thin. Around this area, like the crown of my head, I would say I have a lot of balding. I'm not really bald, it just looks bald because my hair is so fine and thin back there. So sometimes when I do, like when I grab my hair up or when I, you know, put it up a certain way, you can definitely see a lot of like bald spots. I fell in love with it today on my first use. So I curled my hair and I was like, okay, how am I gonna set it up because it looks so flat. It literally looks so flat. I wish I would have recorded myself putting this on my hair because I myself was surprised. So I parted my hair this way and I put it forward and I sprayed the back part first. And then I sprayed the front part, this front chunk, but through the back. And I just put it all down. And then I took my hands and I just started going through my hair this way at the root. I started like really kind of like massaging it. Oh my God. I started like massaging. No, I started massaging it. There we go, into my like scalp, and I really made sure that I kept going like this as it was drying. I felt it getting bigger and I was like, girl, you have more hair. I was so surprised, and that's the reason I was able to do like this nice little lump on the side. I know I don't like hair products in the boxes, but this is something that I am so happy to have received. When I finish this, you best believe I am going to repurchase it. And this retails for, where's the price? $29. So it's not like affordable, but it did a damn miracle to my head. So moving on with that, we have this brand that honestly I have never heard of. It's the brand Skin & Co. Roma. It's a Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refreshed Mist in Radiant Dew. Now this says it's for all skin types. I have oily skin and I am the type who normally wouldn't apply something that has Radiant Dew to it. Radiant Dew in it due to my skin being oily, but I have applied it. I applied it before I applied my foundation. I applied it after I did my whole foundation brows powder. And then I applied it once I finished my makeup. And there's nothing like good, like there's no how can I explain it? Like shininess or anything like that. And mind you, I have been getting ready, filming since 9 in the morning. It is now 3 o'clock in the afternoon and my skin is looking fabuloso. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it again because it says it's like a refreshing mist. And this is definitely something that I would use to refresh my makeup and my like skin throughout the day. So we're going to apply some more. The mister, I can say, can definitely be a little less harsh, but nonetheless, it goes on beautifully. It kind of smells, it has like a slight minty scent, and I actually really like it because it makes my skin feel even more refreshed. So as you can see, it dries right away. It doesn't do anything funky to the skin. And guys, I mean, I'm loving today's makeup. I don't know what the heck of everything that I used today made it this flawless and beautiful looking, but everything made my skin look so beautiful today. I feel like it kind of looks fresh and just glowy, but without being like shiny and like greasy. The next product we have is a No Pore Blem, and this is a prime essence. So I was like, okay, we already got this primer from this brand. Why do we need another one? So this is a product that, from where I was reading right here, it says prime essence infused with calendula officinalis. Guys, these words, like flower extract tightens up the pores and keeps the skin silky and smooth for better and long-lasting makeup. So you're supposed to apply this after your moisturizer, which is exactly what I did. So the product looks like this. I really like the packaging of it and how it looks. It's a liquidy product. I would say it feels like a gel, like a liquid gel. That's what it feels like when you like squeeze it out and you're applying it on your skin. It feels very refreshing and moisturizing to the skin. But that might be the secret to why my skin looks so nice today. So like silky and smooth. I'm excited. So I really like how this felt on my skin. Whether it did anything, I don't know yet. I shall keep trying it. I will maybe try my whole routine that I did today without this product tomorrow and see how it looks and see if this, you know, does make a difference in my skin. But I haven't seen my skin look this, I don't know, flawless and silky smooth in a long time. So yeah, I'm super excited to keep using this, and this retails for, here's the price, $23, so not bad. Next we have this Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette, and this is V3. This is what the packaging looks like. Pretty simple. We got the option to choose what we wanted, whether it was this palette, another one, or an eyeshadow palette. I think another Rainforest of the Sea palette. I did not like those. We already got one previously in another BOXYCHARM, another BOXYCHARM box. And I didn't like it. The formula was all right, but the colors weren't just not me. I'm not really a fan of those type of palettes with like super shimmery shades. So I chose a face palette because I love face palettes. I don't know, I just love them. So this is what the palette looks like. When you open it, it's like, ta-da! It has 2 blushes, 2 highlighters, and 2 bronzers. So I fell in love with this palette. Do you guys see this highlighter? Do you guys see this glowiness? It's thanks to these 2 shades. They're absolutely stunning. The blush looks so beautiful on the skin, and I use this bronzer right here. Phenomenal on my skin, at least. I love it so much. It retails for $45, which I actually think it's a good price, because if you buy products like this separately, like a bronzer, a high-end bronzer, a high-end highlighter, a high-end blush, you will be definitely spending more than $45. And this one, you get 2 options of each of the products. You get 2 blushes, 2 highlighter shades, and 2 bronzer shades. And the highlighters are different. One is a more like white pearl gold, and this one's like a true like gold. And you can also like open one side at a time, open both of them, and then close them. So I really love that palette. I'm so happy I chose that one and I got this one. And then we have 2 more products. quickly. We have the Trestique mascara, and this retails for $20 something. 25. Now, this is a Good Vibes mascara, and I love the name of it, but this is something that I had never seen before. This is a mascara with a lash curler in it. So if you see, it is, you know, the top is the lash curler, and then you twist it, and you have the mascara. So freaking cool. I like the wand on this, and I will say, I mean, it's not like the mascara that gives me the most length because I don't have the longest lashes and I don't have that many lashes. So it does give me good volume at the root, and it coats my lashes nicely. It doesn't clump them together, which I liked. And last but not least, Dominique Cosmetics. You guys know I have kind of put her in a lot of my, like her cosmetic line, I have put it in a lot of my anti-hauls. Now, I don't take it back putting her in, but I'm just gonna say this lemonade lip gloss that I got the color Peach Tea, is amazing. I am wearing it right now, and it's a very light gloss. When you're putting it on, you kind of feel like you're not putting nothing on. So I kind of like layered it on, but it still didn't get thick or sticky or anything. It's kind of like the perfect coat of glossiness on your lips without being thick or glossy. Beautiful. It gives you that juicy, glossy effect that you want, or if you do want that in a gloss, I mean, I do. It gives it to you, and I love it. It's super comfortable. It smells like vanilla funfetti cupcakes or cake. It just smells so good. The color Peach Tea, beautiful. This is a color I actually wanted, and I'm so happy I got it. These retail for $17, and they look stunning on the lips. So I really like it. I am so happy I got this one. Very quickly, I want to tell you guys that I got the version 6B because I know you guys asked me in the last BOXYCHARM, and I, like a dumbass, I didn't know where to find the versions. So there it is, 6B, and this is for the BOXYLUXEs. Basically, I am so happy with everything I got in this month's box. I will be putting everything to use, as I already did, and I loved a lot of the stuff already, so I will continue to use them. And for me, this BOXYLUXE was definitely a hit. I love everything I got. I'm so happy with the version I got. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Let me know if you got a BOXYLUXE or a regular BOXYCHARM. What did you think? If you would like to subscribe or sign up for BOXYCHARM, I will leave my link down below if you guys would like to use it. And that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all your support. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And like always, I will see you all in my next video. Bye!